Hey guys, it's me Bethany, and today I have a TruthPlusDare Extra for you. This week's TruthPlusDare Extra is going to be me making my most favorite sandwich, s'mores. A s'more is basically a sandwich with graham crackers as the bread and chocolate and marshmallows in the s'more. And the chocolate's melted and the marshmallows are roasted. Basically, how you make a s'more is you go over the fire and you put a marshmallow on a roasting stick or a stick, and we're using roasting sticks, and you hold it over the fire and you try to make it golden brown. Then once your marshmallow is perfectly cooked, you are going to take your 2 graham crackers and you're going to put the marshmallow on one of the graham crackers and put some piece of Hershey's chocolate on the top, and then you put the other graham cracker on top of the chocolate and marshmallows and the other graham cracker. And that's how you make a lovely sandwich of a s'more.
S'mores are not for you?
It's really good. If you don't have a fire, you can use a microwave for these s'mores. If you don't have a microwave, you can use the oven. If you don't have an oven, you can use your breath, which would take a long time, but yeah. So we are making the s'mores we're going to make s'mores in the microwave up there, and we've got some graham crackers here. We started splitting them in half. We're still doing that, and we get 2 for each of us. So I'm going to cut these 4 crackers here, so you can just work with these ones here. And so yeah, we're going to put those aside, and now we got our marshmallow sticky side up. Okay, now we're going to add the chocolate. We've got all our marshmallows here, and we've got a big giant Hershey's chocolate. We're doing 2 slices of little Hershey's names, I guess, per graham cracker or per s'more. And so I'm just going to plop that on there. Yep. And then we're going to do that for all of them. Okay. Just going to shove that back in there. And so you think we're ready to put these in? I'm just going to... So you could put on the top after you put all this stuff on and put it in the microwave, but my dad and I usually put the tops on after. Just pop it in, and I'll set it on. I'm going to set it on 15 seconds to start. Imagine if it all blew up and one's falling over. Holy cow. Quickly put it to the table. Hopefully the chocolate's actually melted.
Oh, what's on the bottom like it's melted? We have a problem here. I'm taking that one.
Hey, dude. You can't call things.
Yeah, I can.
Okay, so I'll take the top 2, I guess.
Oh my god.
So there we have our lovely s'mores made in the microwave. And on count of 3, we'll both say bye. 1, 2, 3, bye!